In order to list a used device at Medicaspace, press on Add Your Used System can be found in Trading page. You will find two options, Premium and Non-Premium. For non-premium one, some information has to be provided such as the device title, device model, device photo, manufacturing company, targeted specialties and country, required price, and the warranty duration if found. More information is added about the system, accessories, and the contact person. You can choose to add it premium for more prestigious appearance, as the used system is promoted to appear first with premium label and distinctive color, with an extra promotional explanatory video. Premium listing is charged at $10 per country for one specialty per month. This listing is very direct and doesn't require the middleman. Medicaspace, dedicated medical space.